Alright, so you run a supply chain visibility service and you want to start manufacturing your own GPS trackers or IoT devices. But in order to do that, you need a highly sophisticated factory, a tested and proven production process, and a team of experienced experts that you can trust. And getting all of that from a single provider can be quite hard. That's where Eelinktech comes in, the world-leading GPS tracking device and IoT device manufacturing company, providing you with world-class OEM and ODM services. Here's why you should work with us. You get to work with a partner that can execute flawlessly any hardware design, ODM, OEM, or including the firmware customization project. We have a lot of experience developing custom high-tech products, regardless if it's just a modification of an existing device or an entirely new concept. Our highly refined development process includes all the necessary steps to turn your ideas into high-quality, functional products that dominate the market. Our team of professionals is highly experienced and trained to customize the GPS and IoT devices based on your requirements. Eelinktech has been a market leader for over 14 years and is certified to design and manufacture GPS trackers and Internet of Things devices that suit your needs. Bottom line, Eelinktech is your best bet when it comes to designing and manufacturing your own GPS trackers and IoT devices. Sounds interesting? Then reach out to us at apple@eelinktech.com or give us a call at 861-598-932-6996.